All right, hey y'all, so we're gonna go over different types of pirouettes. If I stop in between, it's because I'm looking at my notes because there's so many and I have to write them down because I keep forgetting. So to start with a basic pirouette, you wanna start standing next to your pole. Your inside arm is high, okay? What's gonna happen is you're gonna open your hand, pass your wrist into the pole, and roll over your wrist. So if you've never done a pirouette before, you're going to go underneath your inside arm, kind of smelling your armpit, rolling over your wrist, and grabbing the pole. So notice, I'm grabbing the pole, my hand opens, rolling my wrist into the pole, going underneath my arm, and grabbing, okay? If you're comfortable with that pirouette, what you can do now is add the bottom arm, okay? Same thing, inside hand opens, bottom arm, palm faces the camera, right? Thumb down, rolling over your wrists, and re-grabbing. So you're using your bottom arm to push you away from the pole. You're not using the arm to pull you in closer. When I think about pushing, that's why I keep my hand open, bottom hand, pushing to create space. Okay? So next, if you're like, all right, Kenny, that feels very good, you can do a pirouette with a passe. So what does that look like? You step on your inside leg closest to the pole. Your outside leg is gonna passe, okay? Your outside hand is gonna come down, palm facing, toward the camera, thumb down, rolling over your wrist, and grabbing. And then you would step to continue. So those are the forms of the most, I'd say, basic-ish pirouettes. So how can we spice up our pirouettes now? Okay, so you can do them continuously. So this is what it would look like. So what happened was, I stepped with my inside leg, I released my fingers, kept pressing my wrist into the pole, rolling over my wrist, re-grabbing. So I step inside, step outside, pirouette, notice my legs cross. My inside leg is gonna step forward. I'm gonna cross my outside leg this time, and then inside leg is forward, cross outside. Okay, so pirouette, pirouette, pirouette. Okay. Ooh, so your outside leg's gonna cross and you turn. Step inside and then cross outside leg. If it gets a little confusing, I'm very sorry. A lot is going in my brain. Okay, are you still with me? So next, we have ascending and descending pirouettes. So ascending pirouettes are gonna go up and descending pirouettes are gonna go down. So because we're standing already, I'm gonna do descending pirouettes. I like these, but they are kind of hard, or it's harder than it actually looks. So you wanna make sure you're bending the inside leg, okay? That's the leg you're gonna be pivoting on, right? So same concept, step with your inside leg, you're gonna roll over your wrist, okay? You're gonna pirouette and turn. So each time you turn, you wanna keep bending that inside leg. So if I pirouette again, ooh, I hope you didn't hear that. My ankle kind of cracked. But yeah, it's a lot of pressure on the inside leg. So think about maybe doing some squats to warm up, some pole squats or regular squats, because you will definitely feel this burn. Now we're gonna do ascending. So we just went all the way down, okay? Back to the same concept. Inside hand, you're gonna open, roll over your wrist, okay? You're gonna turn towards the pole, until you're completely standing. All right? So descending, you're bending your legs to go down. Ascending, going up. In theory, I guess you can do this with one arm. I used to do it with two because it kind of relieves some of the pressure off of my legs, in my opinion. But try it out and let me know how it feels. So next on our list, we have the cup grip pirouette. So this can happen two ways.